Gemini, hi. Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong love life ngayong May 2024. So, this is for singles and in a relationship. So, general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mystic Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Yan, paki-check nyo na lang. Okay, let's see. Gemini. Unahin natin yung mga in a relationship na Gemini. Ano yung parating sa inyong relationship, relasyon, connection ng mga Gemini? Five of Wands. The Star. You may be dealing with an Aquarius. Okay. So, I feel like, meron kayong maayos na problema, Gemini, ng iyong person. So, kung nung nakaraang buwan, medyo madalas kayo nag-aaway, meron kayong differences, mainitin ang ulo ninyo. So, ngayong May, maaring mas magsispend kayo ng time together sa pamamagitan ng pagbabakasyon, exploration, travels. Yan, makakatulong yan sa inyong relationship. Maari kasing may mga nakialam lang siguro, no, nung nakaraan. Yung tipong nanggagatong. So, imbes na maayos yung relationship nyo, masolusyonan yung problema, lalo lang nadadagdagan. So, nung na-realize ninyo na kailangan nyong mas makinig sa isa't isa kaysa sa makinig sa sulsol ng iba, doon na mas naging maganda yung connection ninyo kasi nakapag-focus kayo sa inyong relationship, no? Sa isa't isa. And I also see you, parang merong commitment ngayon, mas malakas yung commitment nyo na, okay, kailangan may give and take, ganon. Kailangan balance yung relationship. Kung merong kailangan yung isa, so i-consider nyo na ibigay, at same din with the other person. So, kumbaga, hindi siya one-way street, no? Kumbaga, you are both giving time for each other. You are making efforts, no? Pareho kayo, nag-e-effort dito sa relationship na to. The Star card is also about healing. So, maaring kung ano man yung naging problema nyo in the past, naayos nyo na, napagtagumpayan nyo na. Ngayon, you are very much dedicated sa isa't isa. Some of you are focusing on your career, pareho kayo, and then at the same time, yung ibang oras, no, na hindi nyo in-spend sa inyong trabaho or career or business, in-spend nyo naman sa inyong romantic partner. Parang may mga kayo, get away na mga activities. You have the 4th house, which is about your family, home life. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, mag-asawa na, magkasama na sa bahay, or you are planning to move in together. Oo. Destiny. Oy, you are both destined sa isa't isa. You have Mars. I think itong energy ng Mars, no, mas lalong pinatibay ang init ng inyong relationship. Maaring mas naging very passionate kayo sa isa't isa after realizing na you are both mature enough, no, na maintindihan yung mga pagkukulang ng bawat isa. Pagdating naman kasi sa relationship, wala naman talagang perfecto dyan. It's a matter of understanding the needs of each other, no, ng person mo. Let's see what else, Gemini. Oh, 'di ba? May honeymoon talaga. Yung iba, like what I mentioned kanina, spending more time together, vacation, travel, safe zone. Ayan, iniingatan nyo na ang inyong relationship ngayon. Hindi nyo nahahayaan na kayo ay ma-impluwensyahan ng ibang tao. You are also open, more open sa isa't isa, mas honest na kayo. And pagdating sa relationship ninyo, importante na magkaibigan kayo. You are, kumbaga, alam nyo na matatakbuhan nyo yung bawat isa kapag meron kayong problema. Lalo na yung mga hindi pa mag-asawa dyan na you are still living with your parents or independent living, may kanya-kanya kayong career, pero syempre may kanya-kanya kayong path na tinatahak, may journey kayo, so magkaiba kayo ng journey. Pag may problema, it is also great na meron kang napagsasabihan ng mga issues mo with your career, with your work, with other people, 'di ba? Ayan. So I think you're going to be more protective of your relationship. At mas patatatagan niya pa yan. Let's see sa mga single na Gemini. Okay, mga single na Gemini, what's up with you? Ngayong May 2024. May 2024 singles. Gemini singles. King of Cups. Okay. Eight of Swords. I feel like merong mag-o-open up sa inyo ng feelings niya. Oh my gosh. Ito yung matagal niya ng kinikim-kim, tinatago. So, pwedeng ikaw to, no? You will open up your feelings with someone or another person is going to open up with you. This can be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces, or Taurus, or Libra. Very much attractive ang energy mo ngayon, Gemini. Maraming interesado sa'yo. There is someone who's mature enough, no? Pwedeng may age gap, malaking age gap nyo sa isa't isa. But this person, meron talaga siyang, pagtatangi sa'yo. Kumbaga, this person has fallen in love with you. Pwedeng ito ay ikaw lagi ang iniisip, no, ng taong to. And I feel like you are going to give this person a chance, no? Pwedeng iba sa inyo, ngayong May, madidevelop itong relationship mo with this person, mas magsispend kayo together, or may mga activities kayo together para mas makilala niyo yung bawat isa. And eventually, you will realize na, this person pala is, seryoso. Seryoso na sa kanyang nararamdaman towards you. Chiron, healing. Okay, so some of you are healing from your past. You are, siguro kaya rin yung iba single kasi hindi pa kayo ready for a commitment. Pero, the moment na ma-realize nyo na itong person na to is gusto nyo, I feel like you will get into this relationship anytime soon. Oo. Parang I think binibigyan nyo lang to ng oras at panahon na mas makilala nyo pa. Kasi you have learned your lesson. No? May natuto ka na dun sa past mo. Na siguro yung iba sa inyo, biglaan na lang kayong pumasok sa relationship. Tapos, hindi naging successful. And now, you are taking your time. Uy, may wedding. You are taking your time. So, yeah, this relationship has potential, no? Ang potential nito, pwedeng mauwi sa kasalan. Yes, transformation. Yung love life mo daw, nagta-transform. Maaring yung itong person that is connected to you is your friend, someone who's very close to you, nakakasama mo sa mga gala, sa mga activities, sa mga adventure trips mo. But I feel like this person has developed, no? Na-develop na niya yung feelings niya sa'yo over time. Pero hindi niya lang sinasabi. And I think, ngayong May, magsisimula ka mo ng mararamdaman na, teka, itong person na to mukhang may gusto talaga sa akin, no? Ganon. And eventually, this person will open up sa'yo. Magsasabi na yan ng nararamdaman niya. Pwedeng reversal yung roles, but I think this is you na getting more attention. Lalo na kung ikaw ay may mga ginagawa sa sarili mo para mapaunlad or ma-improve ang iyong physical appearance, no? Not just the physical but also yung pangkalahatan in general. You are really improving yourself, like a new version of yourself, at lalo kang nagiging attractive sa iba. Okay, so that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. Bye!